Crime victims are now reacting to Worrell's suspension. Fox 35's Valerie Boy is joining us live from the Orlando police station tonight. And Valerie, you are really hearing mixed reactions on both sides.
Yes, you know what, though? I just got finished talking to Beth Lyons. That's the mother of Dylan Lyons, the reporter that was shot and killed in Pine Hills. And surprisingly, she said she was glad that Monique Worrell was suspended. In fact, some other mothers of victims also said the same thing.
These people are putting citizens at harm, being more worried about the criminals than they are the victims and the families. I'm happy that this has happened.
Julia Knight is glad State Attorney Monique Worrell has been suspended. Her son, William Knight, also known as Stephen, was murdered back in 2020 on the Turnpike. She's been waiting for years for justice.
I don't want our city to start looking like other cities where the criminals have more value than the victims.
Back in January, Amazon driver Luis Rodriguez was robbed by two suspects who had long criminal histories, yet were out of jail. Worrell blamed the juvenile system, but the victim said,
"It's a little too much for someone to be coming out even after a 20th conviction."
When asked about Worrell's suspension today, he told us off camera that it's good that someone noticed she was doing something wrong, and now someone will pay attention to what's going on in the community and make it safer.
Taking an elected official out of office against the will of the people. That's wrong. It's frightening.
Attorney Mark NeJame represents the families of 3 victims who were shot and killed in Pine Hills. He says the governor is playing politics and is against removing Worrell.
She was seeking the death penalty. She was strongly prosecuting the perpetrator. And now this throws not only this case, but so many other cases upside down.
Our stand, I guess, is different than Mark.
Beth Lyons, the mother of victim Dylan Lyons, says she's glad Worrell was suspended.
Happy in the sense that I felt as a state attorney, she was not fair when she came to the decision for my son.
While Worrell says she plans on seeking the death penalty for the accused Pine Hill shooter, Lyons says she was doing it for the 9-year-old child that died, not her son.
I felt as his mother, it was a slap in the face because she was the tiebreaker. It wasn't just, she went against the death penalty for Dylan, but not the child.